Let me show you one of my favorite go-to recipes for rapid weight loss and increased energy. This one's called the Green Power Glow Up. You'll need 1 cup of spinach, for those greens that detox your body. 1/2 a frozen banana, for natural sweetness and creaminess. 1/2 a cup of pineapple, loaded with digestion-boosting enzymes. 1 scoop of protein powder, to keep you full and build lean muscle. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, low-calorie and creamy. Toss it all in the blender, give it a whirl, and voila! A smoothie packed with everything your body craves.